Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you exotic, incredible, and extremely delicious recipe of spinach and mushrooms. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. If you want, you could also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So let's see, what do we need to cook this food? First of all, we are gonna need olive oil. In total, we are gonna use 3 tablespoons. Then we are gonna need 1 bowl of spinach. And also I have separated spinach stock here. Then we are gonna need mushrooms. In total, I have 6 pieces of mushrooms in here. We are gonna need cheddar cheese. Then we are gonna need our spices. So I have here oregano, red sweet pepper, salt, and then black pepper. Guys, if you like any other types of spices, you could use those. Then I have separated here black pepper again because we are going to use this in different place. Then we are going to need butter, 1 tablespoon. We are going to need also 1 tablespoon of white flour and 2 glasses of milk. It's fresh milk, guys. So we start opening fire and setting that on medium, and then I'm gonna add to our pan. In total, I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons of olive oil. For this one, I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. All right, guys? So here you go, 1 and then 2. Then just make sure that we have olive oil in all the parts of the pan. Our mushrooms here. We are gonna fry our mushrooms until the water of the mushrooms will be out. All right. Guys, the reason I have cut the mushrooms in this size is because when you cut it small, when mushrooms are cooked, they're gonna be even like tiny than you placed in first place. That's the reason I cut it this way. When it's cooked, it's gonna be smaller than this anyway. After mixing the mushrooms, guys, just close the top of the pan, and then every once in a while you have to mix them, and the water of the mushrooms will be out and it will be cooked well. Guys, in a bit after you are mixing, this is the water of the mushrooms. We want that. Once you have the water of the mushrooms, I'm gonna place the spinach stock because these are gonna be cooking a little bit. It takes longer for them to cook. For that reason, I'm adding them and mixing them again. After mixing, we close the top of the pan. So guys, as you see, our mushrooms and spinach stock are cooking well. At this stage, we are adding our spinach now. When tiny, so for that reason, do not worry about that. At this stage, I'm just gonna close the top of the pan and we're gonna go down. So guys, see, this is how spinach becomes small. Now at this stage, we are gonna add our spices here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix. I have here black pepper, salt, red sweet pepper, and oregano. I'm gonna mix them well. They smell good. And then I'm gonna spread it around our vegetables. Then we are gonna mix them. Guys, when you see the mushrooms and spinach cooked, then you close your fire and you set this aside and you are gonna take another pan to cook our bechamel sauce. All right, guys, on medium fire, we are gonna have 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then we are gonna add our butter here and make sure that both of them will be mixed well together. And butter is melting still. When you have this much butter, you can add your 1 tablespoon of white flour, and then you start mixing them faster. Make sure you don't have any kind of balls in it, because we want our flour to be mixed well with the butter and with the olive oil. Now we are adding our fresh milk, 2 glasses. Now guys, the last step, we are adding our black pepper here. And then we are gonna mix. And we are gonna mix this bechamel sauce until it will boil and have 1 color. Guys, when making bechamel sauce, please make sure that you mix them all the time, because we want the bechamel sauce to have 1 color, and then we're gonna wait until it will boil. So guys, our bechamel sauce is boiling like this. Once you see this boiling sign, it means it's ready. We close it. Now, guys, I'm opening the top of the pan. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in here. I'm gonna use this to spread the oil all over. Then we are gonna place our food. Once we've placed, we try to set everywhere same amount. On top of it, I'm gonna place our bechamel sauce all over. Now guys, I'm placing our cheddar cheese by spreading them in here. Guys, this is like one of my best dream recipes, because I love spinach and I love mushrooms. And so in here we have this amazing mix, you know, that gives you incredible taste, and you just go crazy about this food. So guys, I have preheated our oven 10 minutes ahead now, and now I'm gonna place our food in it until we have crispy red topping. There we go. So guys, it's now ready. I want to just clarify one thing here. So 10 minutes you have to preheat your oven, so your oven will be ready for your food. And then you wait 15 minutes so the cheddar cheese will get crispy and red on top of our food. Guys, it's ready. Bon appetit! I hope you enjoyed watching us, guys. If you like our video, don't forget to click the like button. If you want, you could also subscribe to our channel. Thank you again for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice evening.